Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in copy trading on Binance. It's very easy. First open your Binance apps and there is copy trading here. If you cannot find it, you can just search it and then you can type copy trading and there is copy trading function. You can click it and there is two options, futures copy or spot copy. Whatever you want, but I prefer spot copy. And then you can see there is public and private. If you choose private, you have to have invitation code. If you don't have, you can just choose public copy. Can see here there are so many copy trader you can copy. You can search it by using filter. So yeah, that's it. You can just copy it. Let's say I want to copy this one and you can put the amount and then after that you can check this one, then you can copy it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.